Today we're going to be making breakfast burritos or something of that nature. I don't know. First off, we have pre-cooked bacon here, green peppers, eggs, cheese, a little bit of parsley flakes, approximately a teaspoon of garlic powder, some salt, milk, and of course the butter, because butter makes everything better. So what I'm going to first do is I'm going to start softening these peppers. So you want to put it on maybe a mid-heat. I'm going to turn it up first to get it a little warm. And while that's doing its thing, I'm going to go ahead and take these eggs and break them up. So, cool story, since this is going to be my first video, I actually started my love for cooking back in 08. The next thing to say is going to be weird because you're going to be like, how could you not remember that? I was married at the time, and I just learned how to cook, and I loved it so much that I was like cooking all the time. So this butter is melting quite nicely. You know what? Butter's not all the way melted, but oh, you hear that crackle? Oh my gosh! You might not hear it. I don't know, but I hear it. I want to get these good and coated in this delicious butter. So what I'm going to do is you want to beat the eggs, not just stir the eggs. So what I'm going to be doing is actually beating the eggs, because I don't want anything to be left. Now this is the point where I'm going to put in a little bit of salt. Oh, and this salt is actually from the Southern Appalachia Salt Company. And you know what? I'm just going to put some salt in here as well. Leave those alone for a little bit. And just keep that together. Alright, at this point I'm gonna go ahead and put in the parsley. And the garlic powder. I've already added my milk. I'm going to give that a good beating. Oh, doesn't that smell awesome? It's okay, you could talk.
Yeah, it does. Thanks for giving me permission. I was waiting all day.
I'd have been waiting all day to say something. He won't let me talk.
He won't. He whips me. He beats me like those eggs.
Good and brown. I went ahead and turned it on low, so it's not getting too brown. I'm gonna take my other butter.
Huh?
And let that finish cooking right there, just like that. Flip this little piece over. And since these are going in burritos, we can just chop it up, make it extra, not extra fine, but fine enough to where you can fit it all in a burrito. We're going to start with some bacon. We'll put our eggs down. And I'm not the best burrito roller in the world, but definitely not the best burrito roller, but we'll see how it works. And that's it.
Sweet.